Kum shibenta ban penkret na ke benta ke election arhaja Rasha ke ying dorbar tauan ke jela ka BJP Meghalaya kalayok banjit ikinong kitkam bethamai jongka na ke benta ke samoy trekam arhajar arpusan hadu arhajar arpupra da ke bakentat ru halor ke jingla ban wengno yaladi na ke sorkar MDA balayalam da ke National People's Party NPP. Kumbaka parti kadang penkret ialah dia nak benta ke election ke banwan ha ke jela nak ke liang National President UJP Nanda ula ai ke jing menjur ya ke kenhun ke bertemai nak ke jela ke ban kemi halor ke jing penkret ya ke election arhajar apupra ong Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Rikman G Momen habakren ha ke jing yalang bat kilat pathai khubor ha ke khatsau trik jeliu. Hapok keseng teng-tengi hab ban pej kumno ban penyak ya ke parti. Kumta ke parti ngadei uno yalam ban ngahab ban pej kumno ke parti kayat. Ngahab ban penkela na ke benta ki katu kat ni ki bemlak ban train na ke benta ke parti ula benrap. La ke parti ke don em ya ke jing perkat ban mikno na ke sorkar balayalam da ke NPP ha ke jela. Umuan ula ong kini ke syong hakino yalam na Delhi namar ba ke NPP kaya trilang bat ke BJP lingba ke NDA. Kumta kedang beteng bani trilang. Ula ong kanu ka rai halor kani kaphang ka jubab kan debet nakino yalam na po Delhi. Kat kum ka jing ong ka jong u ka jingya trilang bat ka NPP kan om kta satya ya ka BJP ha Meghalaya. Momen ula yaro ru ya ka jing trekam jong ka sorkar MDA 2 bat ong kalale ya ka babha. Nalor kata ula kenthok kerpang ru da ke boong menteri rangba ke jela ula trei shitom shisha bat kum shibenta jong ka sorkar ngi kersyan ru yaki ha kenu ke bangila banle ka sorkar MDA 2 kalala bantri kam bahabat philayo i yaki babun ki kam penroy ki balaki usten habakeli umomen ula ong bakidon kinong yele persya hadin ba kinong yalam na po Delhi kemsyam la ai tiket yaki banyak hun ha ka election lok sabha ka baladep. Ha ketiga por kila keno e presiden ke jela. Let's say ha ketiga por kila don kinong elek persya Henry mentang ila biang pura. Ngi bud renti ya baru ki program na po central. Ngi don ya keseng kebabiang na dong syadong ula benrap. Momen ula pentip ru ba ki don shibun kentup ya kinong mi khmat barim ki bala penpau ya ke jing don mon ban wan peniaso sya ke parti. Ngi pediang sobha ya baru bakin wan peniaso sya ke parti ban train na kebenta ke parti bat ke jela ula ong. Kini kinong kitkam bethamai ka BJP Meghalaya ki kentup yakin riungut ki Vice President kata ukrawok lang basayo moy Dr. Bernadette Lingdo bat ERB Pen Pradhan Shillong City, Bernard N. Marak bat Anil Hajong Tura City, Lakhon Biam West Giant Hills, ki argut ki General Secretary ke jela ki kentup yau ba wan kit bok pochna bat Amita Vasaha, riungut ki State Secretary ki bekentup ya ka Elisha A. Sangma, Belbora Wankar Daniela L. Nonglait Suki Pariat, Commander Fulsana bat Wilbert Dangu Marang, State Treasurer Sarwan Junjunwala, State Joint Treasurer Ashok Singhania, Media Convener Sabya Sachi Ghosh, Chief Spokesperson Maria Home Kharkrang, IT Convener Sarat Bauri, Social Media Convener Freddy Aron Kahin, Office Secretary Deepika De, but State Sales Convener Dea Singh Rathor.
As the party prepares itself for the future election in the state, the National President Sri JP Naddaji has approved on a new state team to oversee the organizational preparation for 2028. Maybe, of course, during when there was a descendant, when there was a center where they didn't give us a ticket to fight for the Lok Sabha election. So that time they were blaming the state president. So there may be a descendant during that time, but now we are perfectly okay. We are with the our all central programs we are following, and we have a very good line of this one organization now. Inside organization, sometimes we have to see how to run the party. So when we have to find out, and as a president, I am the head of the party, so I have to see how the party goes. So I have to change for some who are inefficient working for the party. So this is for state election for 2028. We are getting ready for ourselves. We are starting our organizational work right from now. No, that depends on the central leadership because since NPP is alliance with the BJP, so it's with the NDA. So NPP is still with the alliance with us. So that will be answered by the state leadership, central leadership.
I mean, will it not be inviting?
No, why should it be bad? NDA
Yeah.
is doing well. The chief minister is really working hard, and as a part of the government, we are also supporting them in every whatever we can do it. So I think the government, this NDA second is working very perfectly okay, and you have seen lots of development has come up.